Hey, me Mr. Robo. Today I am going to show how can you extend storage capacity of local disk C. Let's move on screen. We want to increase storage of local disk C. You can see now it has total storage 58.7 gigabytes. So what we are going to do, we will share 50 gigabytes from local disk D. Let's move on. Right-click on my computer or this PC, whatever you named in your system. Then click on Manage. Disk Management. Now we'll shrink volume from local disk D. We need 50 gigabytes, so we will convert 50 gigabytes in megabytes. It will find thousands megabytes. It will take some time according to your system's performance. Once it's processed, you can see we have unlocated drive of 48 gigabytes. Now we have to drag this on forward of local disk C. Then we can expand storage of local disk C, but we cannot drag it from here. We need to install third-party software to drag. Link is provided in description. After dragging, you need to reboot your computer. After rebooting, your storage capacity will be extended. Congrats, it's extended.
Please subscribe the channel for more amazing techs. Thank you.